Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for May 1st to the 15th. We're going to first take the look at the MJO. This is European forecast. It goes through phase 1, 2, and even to phase 3. But this doesn't relate to the pattern as we continue to have above normal heights here across much of the east. Now we look at other forecasts, and these are all the models. Shows the same thing, 1, 2, and then phase 3. This is the NCEP Ensembles forecast. Looks like 2, and we go through all the models to show all the forecasts, and they're showing basically the same thing, heading through 1, 2, and 3. So, but this doesn't relate well, because if we go into if we look at the pattern for phase 1 and 2, look at phase 1, 2, 3, it's still a cold look here in the east, warm in the west. So that's just something I wanted to point out. Now here's the 1st to the 5th. We have a zone of flow forecast across much of the country with the upper low in the southwest. Block remains across Greenland. See it right here, and a ridge builds into the western states. Now, this upper low, we'll go to the other maps. It's forecast to interact with moisture from the Gulf and result in heavy rain and convection from Texas to Lower Mississippi Valley over the weekend. Here we are, Saturday and Sunday. Here's what I'm talking about. We're going to look at the other. Let me see if I have. Let me see if I have the other map. Okay, right here we have it on this. This is the 1st to the 5th. Here's our upper low lifting now through Texas. You can see the heavy rain here and the spin in the upper levels atmosphere. And then this system will lift northeast into early next week with heavy rain across the east central states, much of the east. And we'll take a look at it at the surface. And we go to the 1st to the 5th, and then we see like we have heavy rain or rain occurring here. This is the GFS. Here's the European deterministics, and we go through European ensembles. You see this heavy rain occurring here all the way from this region across the southeast. This is an area that doesn't need any more rain. The northeast, mid-Atlantic could use some rain, so that's good news. Okay, we're going to now look at the period for May 6th to the 10th. And a zone of flow remains across the country with below normal heights across the north central states, and with near normal heights across the country. The European EPS and the NAEFS, we'll take a look at that, has a trough more further to the west. This is the NAEFS, and look at his European, even stronger, strong trough here, ridging. See, this doesn't correlate well with the phases of MJO. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest northern Rockies, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast for much of this region here, with the anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees. It's a wide range of temperatures. The greatest anomalies I think will be across the southeast and maybe portions of the Ohio-Tennessee Valley. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Above normal precipitation is forecast for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for May 11th to the 15th. And a zonal flow remains. Basically, we have above normal heights across the southern states, below normal heights here. Our blocking seems to be gone from the Arctic, from Greenland, Arctic region, at least weakening and moving westward. So, all in all, for this forecast period, I am forecasting Little change in the temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the northern states, and I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%, below normal precipitation forecast for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for May 1st to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.